Welcome to the ISSA Affinity Partner Program. Through this program, ISSA connects members with trusted providers who offer tools, resources, savings, and expertise to support growth and operational success. Today, we're shining the video spotlight on partnership, and it's my pleasure to welcome Erica Kemp. Erica, thank you for joining us today.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Well, Erica, let's get started. Why don't you introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Yeah, I'm Erica, and I am a program manager at PartnerShip, and I help manage the ISSA shipping benefits.
Well, for those not familiar with your company, give us a brief overview, what you do, the specific services you provide to cleaning facility professionals. You have the floor.
Sure. So PartnerShip is a benefit that helps businesses reduce transportation costs and simplify their shipping operations. We've been partnered with associations for more than 35 years to provide members access to exclusive shipping discounts that they wouldn't be able to secure on their own. So we leverage the buying power of the association to get those higher discounts for members. For ISSA members specifically, we offer savings through the FedEx Advantage program, including 40% off of FedEx Express, 30% off of FedEx Ground and Home. We also help members save on LTL and truckload freight shipments through our network of trusted carriers and freight experts directly through us at PartnerShip. In addition, we're excited to offer a new parcel program featuring customized pricing for members. This gives them even more opportunities to align their shipping strategy with their unique business needs. And then beyond those discounts, our team at PartnerShip offers hands-on support, helping businesses navigate shipping challenges and identify opportunities for additional savings.
I heard 40%.
Yes.
That's a big number. So with what you shared in mind, what challenges are you seeing in the industry right now? And how does your organization help them solve them or operate more efficiently?
Yeah, I think one of the biggest challenges we're seeing that I'm sure a lot of ISSA members can relate to is the continued uptick in pressure on operating costs. Cleaning and facility professionals are balancing those rising expenses with increasing customer expectations, all while trying to maintain profitability. So shipping costs in particular can have a significant impact on bottom line, and many businesses simply don't have the time or resources to constantly monitor carrier pricing and identify those savings opportunities. So that's where we at PartnerShip come in. We help members reduce costs through our pre-negotiated shipping programs while also providing that expertise and support. So whether it's leveraging those FedEx discounts, helping get competitive freight savings, or exploring that new parcel program, we can help all the businesses create a shipping strategy that works for them.
Well, thank you for all you're doing to make that happen. Now I have to ask, why did you choose to partner with ISSA as an affinity partner? And what unique value or advantages do ISSA members gain by working with you beyond what you've already shared?
Yeah, so ISSA has built an incredible community dedicated to supporting and advancing the cleaning management industry. And so we saw a natural alignment between our organization. PartnerShip exists to help association members access meaningful business savings and resources. So partnering with ISSA was a great fit. And then through this partnership, members gain access to all of those shipping programs that I mentioned earlier, which are designed to deliver immediate value. For the FedEx side of things, members can enroll for free at partnership.com/ISSA-FedEx. The program's totally free to use with no shipping minimums or obligations. All they need is a FedEx account number, which is what the discounts get hooked up to. So anytime you ship using that FedEx account number after you enroll, the discounts will automatically apply on any future shipments. Additionally, through PartnerShip, We offer those freight savings and the parcel program with customized pricing, which provides a more tailored approach based on each member's shipping profile. On average, we can save members 20% off of their current spend. And then ISSA members can take advantage of both of those programs by getting a free quote anytime at partnership.com/ISSA-freight. Again, all of these programs are totally free with no shipping minimums or obligations, which is really nice. So there's really no risk for anyone to try them out.
You make it seem pretty easy to do this and save money, so thank you. What advice would you like to share in closing with those watching?
Yeah, I think it's pretty simple. Just don't overlook your shipping expenses. Even small changes can lead to really meaningful savings over the course of a year. And many businesses are surprised to learn just how much opportunity exists for them within their current shipping process. So if you're an ISSA member, definitely take advantage of the resources available to you, whether it's through us and those 3 shipping programs. But I know there's a lot other great benefits out there as well. So at the end of the day, every dollar saved on shipping is a dollar that can be reinvested into your business. And we're proud to partner with ISSA and look forward to helping members uncover those opportunities and help save them some money.